are on the most electrified train in all of New York City Transit. Even though it's not on R32, but still. The entry. And then there's the post. And that actually comes on as I do it too. Holy crap! Wow, I did not expect that. Hold on, let me pull that off one more time since that song is on. Hold on. See, that can actually maintain my balance while I'm going through that too.
I don't know how you do it.
I don't know either. Well, I am a master of this line because this line is mine and it will always be mine. Because Knuckles says so. You best believe that.
Man.